2020 latest portable washing machine. KUPPET 16.5 pounds compact twin tub wash and spin combo for apartment, dorms, RVs, camping and more. White&Brown. Large capacity new. Feature the twin tub dual function design can save your precious time by washing and spinning dry loads at the same time. Total capacity 16.5 lbs, washer 11 pounds, spin cycle 5.5 pounds for doing light to medium laundry loads. You can wash the clothes of the whole family at the same time. Easy operation, simple design of the operation panel, wash timing, wash options, drain options, and spin timing, more easier to use. Allows you to simply put in your load of clothes, fill with water, set the timer and start washing. Completely suitable for everywhere. Timer control and powerful performance. Separate timer control for wash and spin operations. Wash timer for 15 minutes and spin timer for 5 minutes per load. This unit features a 1300 RPM powerful motor with a max frequency of 61 Hz. Save your time and wash more clean. Drain out easily. Gravity drainage drains dirty water by more longer drainage tube from washer. Drainage tube dimensions 29.5, more longer, suitable for most family. Easy storage and space-saving design. Washing capacity and specifications. Total capacity 16.5 lbs, washer 11 pounds, spin cycle 5.5 pounds. Overall dimensions 21.2, 13.8, 25.2 inches. Power supply 110 V60 Hz. Total power 360 W, wash 240 with dry 120 W. Easy operation design and easily movable. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.